Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to display only a single tick on WhatsApp. Now, if you've ever used WhatsApp, you know that 2 gray ticks mean your message has been successfully delivered, and when those ticks turn blue, it means the recipient has opened the message. But if you want to prevent messages from being delivered to you, you can make sure the sender only sees 1 tick, indicating the message hasn't reached you yet. There are a few different ways to achieve this. The most straightforward method is to completely cut off your internet connection. You can do this by switching your phone to airplane mode or by turning off Wi-Fi and cellular data. However, that's not always convenient, especially if you still want to use the internet for other apps. A more practical option is to disable notifications for WhatsApp directly from your iPhone's settings. By doing this, you can prevent WhatsApp from sending notifications, and it will stop receiving messages in the background. Make sure you also turn off background app refresh for WhatsApp. This will ensure that messages won't reach your phone, and the sender will only see 1 tick. Another option you can use, especially on iPhone, is disabling cellular data access specifically for WhatsApp. To do this, go into your phone's settings, find cellular settings, and locate WhatsApp in the list of apps. Once you're there, disable mobile data for WhatsApp. This will ensure that WhatsApp doesn't use your cellular data to receive messages. If you're on Android, you can take this a step further and disable both mobile data and Wi-Fi for WhatsApp, which fully disconnects the app from the internet. Unfortunately, on iPhone, you can only disable cellular data, so if you want full control, disabling notifications is often the better method. By using one of these methods, you can ensure that messages won't be delivered to you, and the sender will only see 1 tick. It's an effective way to manage your privacy on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more useful tutorials like this. See you later.